Hi students, welcome to HP Kapadia School. I am Nisha James. I am taking biology practical. Today we are going to do another 12th standard biology practical, that is to study and identify the various stages of a female gametophyte. Female gametophyte is otherwise called megasporangium. It is present within the ovule. There are normally two types of female gametophyte. First one is called orthotropous female gametophyte or orthotropous ovule, and then anatropous ovule or anatropous female gametophyte. The development of the female gametophyte is taking place when there is development of ovule. In an orthotropous ovule, so what is the difference between an orthotropous ovule and anatropous ovule? In orthotropous ovule, that is a straight ovule where micropyle and chalaza, they are at opposite end. Micropyle, it is at the apex and chalaza is at the base. Okay, and in anatropous ovule, that is a slightly curved one. So what will happen? Chalaza will be on the top and micropyle will be on the base. So now we are starting the practical. The practical number 15, to study and identify various stages of a female gametophyte. Okay, so this is one of the sure practical. This can be asked for examination. In last year board examination also, this question was asked. So either the chart of the female gametophyte or the slide of the female gametophyte can be kept. You have to identify the specimen and you have to identify which stage of the female gametophyte is that. Normally, a mature female gametophyte consists of 7 cells and also 8 nuclei. So, now I will show you what are the different stages of a female gametophyte and also what is the structure of a mature female gametophyte. So, this is the chart showing different stages of development of female gametophyte. As you know that the female gametophyte is developing from a single megaspore. That's why it is otherwise called monosporic development. Mono means single. So as it is developing from single megaspore, it is called monosporic development. The single female megaspore that is undergoing division and converted into 2 cells. So here in the first diagram you can find 1 to 2 cell, then into 4 cells, they go 1, 2, 3, 4, then into 8 cells. Okay, 6 and 8. When it is at the 8 cell stage, the cells are undergoing some rearrangement. So what is that rearrangement? 3 of the cells are moving to one of the corner, other 3 cells are moving to other corner, and 2 of the cells or 2 of the nuclei that will be in the center. The 3 cells towards the micropylar end, that is called egg apparatus. So this is the egg apparatus. The egg apparatus consists of 3 cells. There is a central egg cell and 2 synergids. Now, when you go to opposite end, this end is called chalaza end. Chalaza end consists of 3 antipodal cells. And when you go to the central region, there are 2 nuclei with 1 central cell. This central cell is playing an important role in double fertilization, because in double fertilization, one of the male gamete fuses with egg cell of the egg apparatus and another male gamete fuses with the central cell, and this will form the endosperm. So as 2 male gametes are undergoing fusion, it is called double fertilization. So this is the complete picture of a female gametophyte. So it consists of 7 cells and 8 nuclei. Okay. 3 cells towards the micropylar end, that is called egg apparatus, 3 cells towards the chalazial end, that is called antipodal cells, and 2 nuclei with single cell wall, that is in the central region. So in examination, any one of the stage can be kept. You have to identify it and you have to write the characteristic features of each stage. So that is our practical, and this is one of the sure practical. Okay, so I think all of you understood the practical. And when this practical is asking, you have to do diagram also. The stage which you identified, you have to do the diagram of that particular stage. Okay, so that is our practical. Thank you.